know, we got all these slabs up here.
I can't believe how many doors there are here. I am super excited to see our door get put together today.
Totally. We placed the order for our studio door, and today we get to watch it being made.
We're in the door shop at OrePac in Wilsonville, and today we're hanging a door.
So we're standing at the beginning of the production line here at the OrePac Wilsonville door shop. It's a common misconception that when you order a door, it's sitting somewhere in a massive warehouse on the shelf, and they just go pull it and ship it to you. That is not the case. When you place your order for your door, it comes to a shop like this where there are literally hundreds of thousands of options that you can choose from. So when you choose everything, it comes here, they pull all of those components and bring them over here. They've pulled our door slab and put it on a stack over here ready to be brought over.
The door production actually begins right here at this machine. This machine does all of the face prep. It bores the holes for the handles, peep holes, cuts out holes for lights, and also holes for dog doors if you had that going on.
Let's go check that out. So we're standing in front of the machine that loads it onto the door line, where it begins the process of manufacturing all the components for the door. So it pulls it from that stack, goes onto this roller. It's gonna roll down this roller table to that CNC plunge router that cuts out all those holes that Tony talked about earlier.
The door comes out of the CNC plunge router here onto this table where the light kit is inserted, and then it moves down to hinge prep.
One of the really cool things that we're getting installed into our door is called a multi-point lock. This piece of equipment manufactured by Therma Tru Doors gets routed into the edge of the door and installed. It offers 3 points of contact when you lock the door, offering really good weatherization and security to your door. It also comes with different finishes and its own finish hardware that you get to choose before it's installed.
The cool thing about this is, it's like having 3 deadbolts on your door. It doesn't get more secure than this. I definitely recommend this for your door.
Absolutely.
Corey, this is the coolest machine in the shop right here. This machine actually routes out both the hinge on the jamb and the edge of the door at the exact same time. And it uses diamond-tipped bits in order to keep a super clean pocket, and then actually applies the hinges.
And since you can choose from several different hinge finishes and radiuses, each one of those different styles can get loaded into this machine, and they actually use a drill called an 8-shooter. And it screws all 8 screws into the door and the jamb at the same time.
That ensures precision and accuracy. This is where the latch side jamb and the sweep get installed. The sweep is actually caulked first and then applied, then it moves to the next table for the head piece of the jamb and the sill.
It's notable that since our door is being pre-finished, it comes off this station before all of this stuff is put on, and it's taken over to a station for pre-finished preparation. Now that we've made it to the end of this line, these prime doors are getting prepped for shipping. They put plastic covers on all the corners to protect those, and they put skid plates on the bottom to protect the jamb.
There's actually also an option for a cardboard to cover the panel of the door and plastic to cover the sill on the bottom of the door.
Now we're going to head over and watch our door get pre-finished.
We're standing in front of the pre-finished paint and stain booth, and this is the area where everything gets prepped and ready to go inside that booth. As with any kind of wood that you're going to stain or paint, it's got to be prepped, right? You have to sand it, you got to clean off all the little burrs and things that are on there, you have to tape off any glass, and then it's ready to go inside the booth and be sprayed.
Yeah, this is all to ensure a high quality finish. So we're gonna go check out our door getting painted inside the paper.
Well, this is where the magic happens. This is where the door gets painted or stained, depending on the decision that you made. We chose to have our door get painted, as you can see, but a fiberglass stained door looks so much like wood, you would not believe it.
Yeah, Tony, getting a door pre-finished is the absolute way to go.
It can be more difficult to get that fiberglass to look that much like wood at home. So having it pre-finished here, you're guaranteed to get that really authentic wood look, and the performance of a fiberglass door, it's unbeatable.
Let's go outside and see how they're gonna put our door together now that it's pre-finished. So our door just got painted and it's all done. It's gonna take a while to dry, so they'll probably put it together tomorrow. But when they do, it's gonna come out of there with all of the components and they'll put it together by hand. They'll get it wrapped up on a pallet, super protected, ready to be shipped out.
This is the last place our door is going to be before it ends up in the studio, and I'm super excited to get it done.
Well, here it is. Our pre-finished Therma Tru door is all finished, put together, ready to ship. The next time you see this door, it's going to be at the studio where Adrian and Max from ThermaTru are going to help us install it.
We really appreciate OrePac for taking us around and letting us see the process of the door. What an invaluable piece of information. The next time you're at Parr Lumber ordering a door, you'll know what your door went through before you got it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down as well. We'll see you next time.